Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I am back again with one very important, very powerful notification from Airport Authority of India. So they have released an indicative notice, okay, about recruitment of junior executive ATC, Air Traffic Control. Now, what are they informing? It is informed that AAI will invite online applications through AAI website for the post of junior executive in the pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 for by publishing a detailed advertisement shortly. So they are suggesting that they will soon be releasing a notification for the recruitment of junior executive air traffic control on their website. Okay, as we have seen for the past 2-3 years, every year they are recruiting students and they are conducting their own examination based on the syllabus of physics, maths, English, aptitude, all this kind of syllabus they are asking. This notice is only indicative in nature. That is, you cannot claim that you guys said that you will recruit and you are not recruiting. This is just indicative, and they can modify, alter, restrict, enlarge and cancel the recruitment process. They have all the rights. They are not committing that they are going to do it. They are just telling that yes, they might do it, without issuing any further notice or assigning any reasons. Without any reason, they may cancel recruitment, but that is just a disclaimer, because if they had to cancel, why would they issue this notice? The decision of AI management will be final and no appeal will be entertained. In case you appeal against it, that you released a notice that you will be recruiting, now you are not recruiting, they'll not hear you. Okay, they'll not entertain it. Interested candidates should keep visiting career section, but you do not need to visit because I'm there for you. I'll tell you whenever they release the notification. And leading newspaper employment news regularly, okay, but you do not need to worry. You just need to be active on this channel. I'll let you know. No queries will be entertained in this regard till the publication of detailed advertisement, because many people might file a PIL, many people might file a RTI. Okay, so they'll not entertain any such request until they publish the detailed notification themselves. And you should not get lured by the fake recruitment in the name of AAI and refer only to AAI website. So do not go after any other sources. You just keep checking their website. So this is a good news for the students who are waiting for AAI recruitment, that they'll be releasing the notification shortly. What can we expect? We can expect that in the next 1 or 2 months, you will hear from them. You will see a notice coming from them. I would say there are high chances in the month of October itself, they will release the notification for the recruitment of junior executive. So you need to be prepared if you are aiming for AAI, because you need to prepare the basic physics, you need to prepare the basic mathematics, you need to prepare your aptitude. The syllabus for this exam is very different from GATE exam, because they ask general physics like mechanics, wave optics, all these. That is class 11th and 12th physics, class 11th and 12th mathematics. So that is how you need to prepare. Okay. And for those students who are waiting for GATE 2024, who are preparing for GATE 24, there is a good news for you, bacho. Till tomorrow, you can file your applications without any additional fees in the GATE exam. And till tomorrow, you are getting a discount on our crash courses. Umeed batch for electrical, Unnati batch for EC. You are getting 20% discount using the code RIB20. So do not hesitate, do not wait. Join Exam Dost immediately so that you can befriend Exam Dost. It can be your best friend for exam preparation, and you can prepare under my personal guidance, where I guide you at each and every step. I clear each and every doubt of yours, and I teach you each and every detail, each and every concept. If you want to learn with me, join Exam Dost immediately, and you can message us on our WhatsApp number 70890475561, because we have huge number of courses. We have discounts on each of the courses. So you can get to know the details if you message us on our WhatsApp, or you can immediately visit our website or Exam Dost app on Android and iOS. You can download the app, or you can visit the website to know more details. Okay. So that's it from my side. Thank you, everybody.